So let's start with the training. Okay. Initially, there are few questions which are being asked by everybody. Okay. Now the first one is what all is covered in the course. Right. This is the primary question which everybody asks me. Well, in this course, I will be covering Java. Right. Java is important. Don't think that if you partially know Java or you know a little bit of programming, you can work on this tool. Fine. Don't think that. Right. You need to know Java language. Okay. And you need to have a good knowledge. So I'll be covering Java. Then after that, I'll be starting with the concepts of WebDriver. Okay. We'll be seeing how to use WebDriver as a tool, Selenium WebDriver. Right, I will not directly jump on to making test cases and all which almost everybody expects in the beginning. Right, no, all of us are testers here, all of us have had some practical experience as well. Right, so after that practical experience, everybody tends to look at some practical scenarios while learning Selenium. How will I automate that? How will I automate this? Right, look, my suggestion in the beginning is start slowly, learn the tool first. Fine, learn the features of the tool, and that's what we will be working over here. And after that, I'll also talk about Android. Okay, how do you work on Android with Selenium? And then I will talk about frameworks. Okay, apart from this, there are a lot of other expectations from people as well. That is, we want to learn continuous integration tools like Jenkins, whether you'll be covering grid or not. Okay, or what about database testing with Selenium, right? What about Flash testing with Selenium? Look, in online class, I have a limitation. I have the limitation of time, right? I cannot drag this course for next 2 months. Fine. So yeah, Yomi, I'll answer your question in just 2 minutes, right? So that's why I tend to cover limited stuff in the training, but along with the training, I give you access to excellent videos on Selenium which are available on my site qtpselenium.com. Right? Okay. Fine. So out here I have got around 32 modules, 42 modules listed on the site. Okay. From Java to WebDriver to RC, database testing, Flash testing, page object model designing, Cucumber with BDD. So you'll get the access to the videos. You can also learn from the videos. We'll also be recording the class sessions. You'll get the access to the class sessions as well. Okay. Now coming on to the course, coming on to the actual things, Selenium. Right. Don't do the mistake of ignoring Java language, which is the primary thing, and most of the people they skip Java and eventually they end up losing interest in the tool, because in this tool everything everything is done in Java. Okay, I agree, for tester it's a difficult thing, but it's also not something which you cannot learn, right? You just need to give in time. People, they sometimes expect very fast results. Don't expect fast results, right? Give yourself around 1.5 months to 2 months of regular practice, and definitely it will come to you. Right now, okay. Before I start the training, anybody having any questions? Please ask me any questions. You can move your mouse to the top of the window. You can unmute yourself and ask a question. You can click on the chat icon and ask a question, right? So right, anybody with any question, anything regarding Selenium, regarding Java, anything? Nothing else, nothing from you guys? All right, fine, that's great. So let's start with the training. Okay, now first let us see how Selenium evolved over a period of time. I worked on this tool for the first time in 2007, and when I worked on this tool, we had got following features present in this tool. Right, Selenium as a tool is not one, right? Yes, that's the issue. That's the issue. Only 25 can join. Only 25 people can join the training. I have kept the upper limit because I don't want to unnecessarily invite many people in the training. It becomes difficult for me to also manage, right? So tomorrow as well, be early tomorrow, right? First 25 people can join in. In the paid session as well, I don't accept more than 25 people. Okay, so right. No. I might have made a mistake. I might have made a mistake. Right. Yeah, okay, questions are being asked here. Right. Will you be covering topics related to BDD like fitness or Cucumber and Selenium? Vinaya, the thing is, I'll not be able to cover BDD because not everybody wants it, right? But I have the videos on Cucumber BDD. You'll get the access to the all 42 modules and you can have a look at them, right? Because not everybody in the training wants it, right? Another question: which ID are we going to use to write Selenium scripts? We'll be using Eclipse, Harika. We'll be using Eclipse to write our Selenium scripts. Third is from Sundari. Can we access all the 42 modules? Yes. Once you're enrolled for the course, I'll create your account, you'll get a username and password, and you'll be able to access all the 42 modules. Okay. Apart from that, you will also have access to the recordings which we are doing in this training. Okay. Is there any link? Okay. When is the actual training starting? Vinaya, the actual training is starting from today. First two classes are trial classes, and wherever I leave the trial classes, I'll continue forward on the next weekend. It's not something like I did something special in the trial classes, right? Another question there, that is there a limit for accessing the videos? There is no limit for accessing the videos. The 42 modules which we are having, you can access any number of times. It's a lifetime access, right? Even after 1 year you can access. Okay, but the videos which we are recording in this current session, they'll be there for 2 to 3 weeks, 2 to 3 months after the session. Okay. Yes, weekend batches are on both Saturday and Sundays. Right. Vishwanath is asking a question: why do we need to learn Java? Okay, that's a technical question. Why do we need to learn Java? The thing is, you'll get the answer very soon. Okay, when I start away with Selenium, you'll get the answer. Okay, so probably I made a mistake. So you'll have lifetime access to the videos, as I told you. The recorded sessions from this class, okay, whatever is the recorded session of this classroom training, it will have the access for around 2 to 3 months. It depends on Cisco. Okay, so all right. Yes, you will have access to the source code as well. You'll have access to the source code. Right? Okay, fine. Let's continue. Let's continue with the training now. I'll talk about that, Tabriz. I'll talk about that. Fine. So, when I worked on this tool for the first time, we had something known as Selenium RC. Okay, we had Selenium RC, Selenium IDE, and Grid. Okay, now IDE is a tool which is still existing, right? It only works on Mozilla, right? It's primarily a record and run tool. Okay,